Hey everyone, in this video we will learn about onboard LED. So I have told you earlier that most of the Arduino boards contains an onboard LED which is connected to one of their pins. And if we talk about our Arduino Uno, it's connected to pin number 13. As you can see here in this animation, this glowing LED which is in just left of pin number 13 and ground, this is the onboard LED. In this video we will learn to use it. Now as it's connected to a digital pin, so whatever output we will write on pin number 13 will also be provided to the LED. Like to make the LED glow or blink or turn off, we can simply write high or low to pin number 13. And for that we have two methods to write output on pin number 13. First is to simply declare the pin like we do, and second is by using LED built-in constant, about which we have already discussed in the constant video. There we have find out that it's just a constant whose value is 13. And just like the inbuilt functions, its value is already stored in the Arduino library. We can simply call it and use it anywhere in the code. And the structure for calling LED built-in is simply LED underscore built-in in uppercase letters. Now let's write a code for using this onboard LED by both of the methods. Now here, in first method, we will simply declare pin number 13 and then we'll write output on it. So for that, just simply write int LED equal to 13 and then a statement terminator. After that, we need to set up that pin. So for that, go to void setup and write pin mode and then in brackets, first attribute LED and then output. There we go. Then a statement terminator in the end. Now we have set up pin number 13. After this, we will move to void loop, in which first we will make the LED turn on, then it will stay turned on for half a second, then we will turn it off, just like this animation. So for that, write digital, write LED and then high. There we go. Then a statement terminator. Now at this point, we have turned on the LED and then we will provide a half-second delay. So delay 500 and then a statement terminator. So now the LED will stay turned on for half a second, then we will turn it off. So digital, write and the LED comma low and then a statement terminator. There we go. And then again provide a delay. So it will stay turned off for half a second. Now we are done. So this is our code for making that LED blink. Now let's first verify the code and then we will upload it to the Arduino. So click on verify button here and then click on save and there we go with done compiling. So we have no error in our code. Now let's upload it to the Arduino. So here we are on the board and again I have uploaded the code on this board. Now this is the circuit diagram that we will need. No external components, just our Arduino and the inbuilt LED. Now let's power up the Arduino and see that how it will work. So here I have my USB cable. So just insert that one in the USB jack. There we go. So as you can see here, this LED blinking. Or you can simply use any external power source and can have a look at your project. So as you can see here, this LED continuously blinking here. So this is our inbuilt LED. So here we have made the onboard LED blink and now we will make it blink again but with a different method. This time we will use LED built-in. So as you know, it's just a constant whose value is 13. So somewhere in the code this is already declared. So we can just simply call it anywhere in our code where we need it. And now let me show you how we can do that. So we don't need these lines int LED equal to 13, neither LED built-in equal to 13 because it's already in the code. So just copy this one instead of writing it again and again. And now first we will set up the pin by using LED built-in. So here just write LED built-in. There we go. Now by using this we have set up pin number 13 to output. And now similarly in digital write we can just replace LED with LED built-in. There we go. Now there our LED is just calling a value that was 13 there, that is int LED equal to 13, and similarly here this LED built-in is again calling the value 13, so it will remain unchanged. Now except this we don't need any changes in our code because our logic will remain same as well as the functioning. Now let's verify our code. So for that, just click on verify button, and there we go with done compiling. So we have no error in our code. Now let's upload this code on our Arduino and see whether we will get the same results or different one. So here we have our second code being uploaded in the Arduino, and we have done uploading. Now you can see here again the LED is blinking just like it was blinking in our first code, as you can see here. So with both of these codes we got the same results. And now let me show you one more thing here. What if you connect any LED to pin number 13 with this same code? Then let me just first connect it, and there we go. So here we have this LED also blinking with the internal LED. So this pin will also act as an output pin, as well as it will provide a voltage to the internal LED. So this is all about the internal LED. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.